Hello guys, welcome back to our A&B TechBuds YouTube channel. Today we discuss how to set up our Eclipse and run a sample program in our PC. If you know our channel, please hit the subscribe button and join A&B TechBuds community. Let's not waste our time, let's get into our video. First of all, we have to open our folder where we are storing the Eclipse folder. In my case, I store in Eclipse in downloads file. Open Eclipse, open Eclipse icon here. Run administrator, yes. Yes guys, it is the user interface we have seen here. In middle box, this is where we have to write the code, and left side where we can create our projects. Like here some projects there, like create Maven project, create Jai project, create a dynamic project like this. We can add debug like you see database development, debug, git, Java. So we can add whatever we want. Okay, I'm closing this one now. If you observe, in downside we have console. Mainly I'm doing most work with console only, but in some case if you newly installed this Eclipse IDE, maybe you can't see this one. If you want to add this one, just open Windows here and show view. Here we see console is there. If you just click on it, it will place in the ground downside. So now if you want to create a new file, if you have executive file, just open here. Otherwise I'm creating new file here. If you observe here, there are some projects there, but in my case I need Java project, but not here. Okay, no problem, just click other. Yeah, here we see in Java project. I'm just clicking Java project. Next. Yeah, I give a project name as Java Practice. Yeah, here we can see your it is already default location to my A&B workspace. We already created now. So this is the JR configuration. I'm taking default only. If you want, you can just go to configure JRE. Yeah, this normally just keep like this only. Yeah, finish. Yeah. Okay guys, as you have see we got successfully got the Java Practice project. Just right click here. We can see the source files. Just right click in source files. Yeah, click on new class. We have, yeah, I am giving class name as test. Okay, I am taking public stat void pre-boiler. Yeah, just finish. Yeah, we got our basic code here. Let's write a basic program like all are writing now. How to print hello world. I'm writing here system.out.println hello world. Okay, we can run by two ways, by right click here. Otherwise you can see the menu bar is run option. So I'm just right clicking here, run as Java applications. Yes guys, we can see our console we have successfully we got output. Yes guys, this is the basic thing we can do in Eclipse. I hope if you not yet like this video, please like and share, and please subscribe our channel. We will create more videos like this guys. I will see you next video. Bye bye.